Today I'm making a simple roast chicken. I'm going to put some vegetables in there. It's going to be delicious. I've got a special turmeric based rub here that I'm going to share the recipe for. It comes out amazing on chicken, so let's get started. Start out with a fresh chicken and make sure you get the stuff that they hide inside the cavity there. It's usually packed in there pretty good. And then you need to remove the backbone because we are spatchcocking this chicken. I just cut mine out with these kitchen shears. Then I just try to flatten it out best I can. You can remove the wishbone if you want. Brushing mine down with some melted butter to help the rub adhere. So this rub is so good. I've got the recipe in the description, but it is amazing on chicken. You gotta try it. I mean, just look at that color. Wow. So the chicken's gonna go into the oven at 350 for about an hour. And in the meantime, I'm preparing some Brussels sprouts to roast. I've just washed them, halved them, cut off the ends, put a little olive oil, salt, pepper, and I've thrown some carrots in there too because the kids like that. While the veg and the chicken are in the oven, I'm making a basting sauce. So I'm melting a stick of butter, throwing some crushed garlic in there, and adding some oregano and thyme and salt. You don't want to cook this too much, you just want it to get fragrant. And then, as the chicken is cooking, you can open it up and baste this chicken with this garlic butter. It is so good. You gotta do it a couple times. I just did it 2 total times. And don't forget to mix that veg up too. So the chicken's hit 165 and it is done. Take a look at this roasted bird. Man, it came out great. Pulling out my meter thermometer, which I really like. I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. And then it's just time to carve it. I probably should have let this rest for a few minutes because this thing is piping hot. But everybody was hungry, so I just had at it. Break that chicken down, cut it up, and you're good to go. Serve it with those Brussels sprouts, and I guarantee you will love this chicken rub. Enjoy!